Hey guys, Dave from Scoggin-Dickey, and we are back in the dyno, as you can see, with our friend the 6.4. So it was about a month or so ago, we did our camshaft comparison with this setup, and so this still has our stage 4 camshaft. We got our trusty dusty, not so dusty, it's actually nice and clean, Holley high ram, and then we're actually going to be doing some cylinder head testing between the stock cylinder head and a mild ported. It's a CNC ported cylinder head. Gordon has already gone through and done some flow bench testing for that. We've got some footage, and we'll also have the numbers for that. And then we're going to go through, do a couple rips on this one, make sure that everything's looking relatively the same of what we had before as our, bench, our baseline. Yeah, as our baseline. And so we're going to do that, and then Gordon's going to come in here after this thing has cooled down a little bit, toss the cylinder heads on that are mildly ported, and then we'll get some numbers from that. So what do you guys think that we're going to make as far as like gains between the stock heads to the ported cylinder heads? So Gordon has already done some flow bench testing of the mildly ported heads. We'll make sure to post the numbers up for that, as well as some footage from it. It's really noisy. You can't really talk over it or anything else like that. For you guys that watch our previous videos that we've done flow bench testing on, it's loud. So anyway, we'll have the numbers so you can kind of compare and everything. And say if you get your hands on a set of cylinder heads and they have similar numbers, then you'll be able to see, hey, this is what it's making, within the same uh, ballpark. So we finished up the last of the runs on this one with the mildly ported cylinder heads, and you know, of course, we asked, you know, what our projections were as far as power is concerned, and Nick behind the camera, he actually got the closest. So overall gains 21 horsepower over the stock cylinder heads to the mildly ported cylinder heads. Of course, you can look at the flow bench data that we've got for that, and you can, you know, make some educated guesses on that yourself, make some determinations as far as like if it is something that is important enough for you for those gains. So either which way, this system is done. We're pretty much going to be finished with the 6.4 platform on this for a little while. We're going to be moving over to the Hellcat now, and so look forward to video and content on that one in the future. We're going to be starting on it really soon, so stay tuned. Make sure to like, share, subscribe on both YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. We have it in long format and short format for, you know, however you guys like to digest our content. And thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next week for another tech video.